Good morning students, you are welcome to Indian Style English channel. Today we will discuss a small but very important topic of English grammar, that is called determiner. Let us see. Determiners. Some students pronounced it as determiner. That is wrong. Its correct pronunciation is determiners. Determiners. In Hindi, its meaning is निर्धारक. हिंदी में इसको निर्धारक कहते हैं. एक्चुअली डिटर्मिनर्स आर फिक्सिंग वर्ड्स which modifies a noun before which they comes. जिस भी नाउन के सामने ये आते हैं उसको या तो संशोधित कर देते हैं, उसको चेंज कर देते हैं या उसको फिक्स कर देते हैं उसके मीनिंग को. तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द यूज ऑफ few, a few and the few, because it is very important to learn about the difference between few, a few and the few. The first is few, second is a few, and third one is the few. Okay, few. First, few. Few means hardly any. Few means hardly any. बहुत कम. Few means hardly any, बहुत कम. It is in negative sense, न के बराबर होता है. इसमें क्या होता है? न के बराबर होता है. Let us see the example. Example is I have few enemies means मेरे बहुत कम दुश्मन है, ना के बराबर हैं. Few means न के बराबर, बहुत मुश्किल से. I have few enemies means मेरे बहुत कम यानी कि ना के बराबर मेरे दुश्मन है. Second is a few. A few. A few means in small number. In small number. In Hindi it shows the sense of kuch. In Hindi it gives the sense of kuch, and in English it is in small number. I have a few friends means मेरे कुछ मित्र हैं, यानी कि गिनती में वो आते हैं. They can be counted हैं, मित्र हैं, कुछ मात्रा में हैं. Okay, and the last one is the few. The few in small number. In small number, but all of them, The few means in small number, but all of them. हैं तो कम मात्रा में, but सब के सब, सारे के सारे, यानी कि गिनती में कम है लेकिन वो सब के सब in small number, but all of them. Let us see the example. I have The example is, the few friends I have are diamond. कि मेरे जो भी मित्र हैं चाहे कम हैं बट वो सब के सब क्या है, हीरे हैं, सब के सब क्या है, हीरे हैं. तो क्या डिफरेंस क्या है? few means hardly any, a few means in small number and the few means in small number but all of them. So students, if you have to learn this, please watch this video and then make notes of it. Okay, thank you, best of luck, have a nice day.